What's up? It's Keyboard Man, and we're back with YUNZII. You guys know YUNZII? It's a budget keyboard company. They make a lot of really cool artsy keyboards, and most of them are under $100. If you guys remember back in the day, we did the Heart keyboard, and this is basically the Heart keyboard. This is a B75 Pro, but it's been upgraded. So now the B75 Pro, they now have a Pro Max. So the Pro Max is a little bit better. Specs, I think, are nicer, and it also comes with a little screen instead of just a volume knob. It's a TFT screen. Mega upgrade. It's also on sale right now for like 85 bucks, I think, for like the holiday season. So definitely check it out. It's the B75 Pro Max. A little bit about it. It's a 75% layout. It's got 81 keys. It comes in 4 different colors: white heart, pink heart. It also comes in beige and black. Okay, it's got south-facing RGB. It comes in 3 different switch types. You have the Milk V2 linear switch, the Cocoa Cream V2 linear switch, and the Candy linear switch. It's gasket mounted. It's got 8,000 mAh battery. It's 2.4 gig Bluetooth and wired, all 3. And it's 993 grams, or about 2 pounds. Now that we're a little more familiar with the YUNZII B75 Pro Max, we're just gonna get it open and stare at it and mouth breathe for a little bit and then play a game on it. All right. Uh-oh, we got a little snack wrap. We got our little snack wrap. I forgot YUNZII always snack wraps their keyboards. I mean, it's clear, so you guys have kind of already seen it, but... All right, we got cute little light blue on the back. We have a Type-C. We got our mode switcher, wireless, wired, and Bluetooth. And we have our little dongle. Wow. We got some adjustable feet. We got short, and we have slightly taller. There's your tallest, medium, and there's your stock height. All right, now let's do a sound test on this. Wow, sounds great. YUNZII always knows how to make the right switches. They have like 3 go-to switch types that they put in a lot of the different keyboards. Those are the ones that are available here. So you've probably heard these before in your lifetime. Anyways, so first impressions, I really like it. It just looks clean. I love the new screen that they've added. I like the color of the blue and just the way that they did their accents. Because some people do it like all the way down a certain color or whatever, but they just kind of went their own way. I like it. It's nice and light, and like I said, it's like 85 bucks, so can't really beat it. First impression, very impressed. We also have some accessories. Our massive sandwich bag of extra keycaps. Lovely. We get a keycap and switch puller, a Type-C cable. It's rubber, long enough, probably. Looks long. Yeah, that's about 1.8 meter. And one more thing. These are the extra switches. Now we know what kind of switch we have. So it looks like we got the Milk V2 linear switches with these. So wow. All right, so we get 2 extra Milk switches. Get a keycap and switch puller. We get a power cable, some extra keycaps. That's not bad for a budget keyboard. Turn the RGB up to max brightness. It's a little bright in here, but the fact that you can see the little startup animation now. That you can see the RGB at all with all these lights on is pretty impressive, because some of the keyboards I have to turn the lights down just to even see them. All right, so now that we've seen it lit up, we've seen what it can do, you know, not plugged in. So now I'm gonna bring it to my desk, see what we can do with it. If there's any adjustability, maybe take a look at the RGB, and then we'll test it out in a game and see if it can hang or not. I'll see you there. Okay, so here it is. We're going to plug it into the computer. We've already seen a little bit of the RGB and whatnot, but that's sick, dude. All right, so here it is. She's beautiful. Unfortunately, it looks like it's not a web driver. It's a software download. So we're going to go ahead and skip that one for now. But, you know, it doesn't have crazy like rapid trigger or, you know, adjustable actuation or anything like that. So really, we could just kind of go with the button combinations and look through the RGB. Here we go. Whoa, digital rain, maybe. I like the reactive ones, but does anybody actually use those? Is there anybody down there in the comments? Anybody watching this that actually uses like the splash RGB effect, like unironically? Let me know. Okay, that's all of them. I think I like this one, windmill. Okay, so that's all the combinations, and then you have your caps lock. But there's some displays here. But yeah, look at that, dude. It's got the battery percentage. It's got the date correct. The time is off by 2 hours, but it's got the date correct. Nice. Dang, guys, it's almost Christmas. It might be Merry Chrysler before this video comes out. I'm not sure. You guys like my Christmas tree? It's sick. It's growing on me. The Govy lights are kind of wild, huh? You know Govy makes Christmas lights? Hashtag not an ad. So now that we're RGBing, we're going to get to gaming and see if it's good for gaming. Let's do it. Bro.
Oh, well, if you're not planning to use it, can I grab a quick nap? Saving the universe.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, bro.
All you need to do is capture the mission area.
Yay! Yay, I love you. My new Christmas skin. Oh, shit.
Oh, sweet moves, right?
They're cracked. I'm in the skies, man. Yeah! Yeah, you suck. Yeah, you oh, boy. I'm out of here. I'm here for the heals. Oh boy, I'm asleep. What is happening? When I asked to play Star-Lord, I didn't say I was good. I just said I wanted to play Star-Lord. This Captain America is cooking all of us. Oh my god, my aim is so trash. What's happening? Hey, yo, what the? Come on, boys. We can do this. Oh my god, they're all just... What the... I'm out of here.
There you are. No escaping.
Let's go.
Us now.
Capping.
We are undefeatable!
There's no way you're ulting right now. Oh, nice heals. That's huge. Oh my god, bro. I'm not giving this up. Why am I reloading, bro?
Oh, sweet moves, right?
Let's go! Did she just...
Enemy target located.
Well, looky.
Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Happy Honda days! I didn't get a single kill! Ah! Ah! We're good. I hear footsteps.
Place is curious. Keep an eye.
Ah! Oh my god, no. Ah! We're fine.
Coming right at ya.
Bro, where you going, dog? Yo, chill.
Just what the doctor
Are they
ordered.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We got this, boys.
Oh, did you see that?
This Captain America's by himself. Cringe. Ah! We're fine. Oh my god. I'm not giving this up, bro. Go away. Go away, Captain America. Go away. Oh, not the Thor. It's always the Thor, isn't it? GG. I'm not giving you guys this, so go away. Go away. You're not getting this. Nope. Nope. You're not getting this. Nope. No. Chill. You're going really far away from your healers there, buddy. Peace. I'm gonna go cap.
Behold the god of thunder!
No! That's bullshit. Look at this guy. I was right on the edge. Hey, how's it going? Wait, I finally got a kill. Let's go, boys. That's huge. Oh, I have my ult. Oh, that's huge. Fuck yeah. Groot is putting in work, dude.
That's the stuff.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's everything. Let's get this thing moving.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
Destiny was not kind to heal. Some assistance. Tony, you gotta give me one great. Again!
I'm playing it safe here, boy.
Wasn't enough.
So close. This is your big chance.
I'm scared. Somebody's targeting me. I'm panicking.
Us against the world.
No, not the cloak and dagger ult. Not good, not good, not good. I'm gonna stick it. I'm sticking it. I'm sticking it. Bye, Adam Warlock. You should have probably stayed on the objective, buddy. Were you not paying attention, pal?
Another epic victory.
Let's go! Yes! Let's fucking go! Oh, his ult's so cool. When he goes happy holidays, it makes me happy for the holidays. Yay! That was YUNZII B75 Pro Max. I love the little extra addition of the screen here. The RGB's fire. I like the cool little light blue color scheme. I don't know. There's just something about it. It's nice. It's like the Heart keyboard, but it's got a nice little upgrade. So if you guys were a fan of the B75 Pro from YUNZII and you're looking for a little bit of an upgrade, you're a fan of budget keyboards, whatever, click the link in the description. Check them out. YUNZII's got a whole bunch of really cool keyboards. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave another one of my old YUNZIIs up on the screen, and hope to see you in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks, YUNZII. Bye. Bye it. Happy holidays.